So the material for this project
So this
measures about 40 inches,
the 40 inches
40 inches
40 inches
by 18 inches.
by 18 inches. Sorry, 18 inches. 40 by 18
40 by
inches.
18 inches. So I had to flip it
I have to fold
like this, fold it into two like this. I went in by 2 inches and 2 inches too. I had to connect the 2 inches to give me a bust like shape. So I had to fold it, as you can
I
see.
folded it like this so I can just cut the two sides once.
So I can cut the two sides once. So I had
So
to
I have
cut
to cut
it.
out.
And then
So
this is
this
what
is
we
what we
have
have
after
after
cutting.
cutting out.
So I went in by 1
So the
inch,
next thing I did was to mark going by 1
as you
inch.
can see from the top, and then
I
folded
folded the 1 inch
like so.
like you can see.
And then I came in by 4
And
inches,
then I went in by 4
and from
inches.
the other side also I
And on
came
the
in
other side,
by
I
4
went in
inches.
also by 4 inches.
So this
So
my
this is
belt.
my
It's
belt.
36 inches long. I had to cut it
This
into
is
two for the two
36
handles,
inches. I had to cut it into
and I
two for the
went
two
on
handles.
to position
So I
it, and that's
positioned it
my 4 inches mark.
on that 4 inches mark, as you can see.
And then I'll go ahead and sew it down.
So I'll go
Go ahead and
sew
sew
it
it
down.
down. I'll
So you
actually
see
do same to the other
what
side.
we have. So
So
after
after
sewing it
sewing it, this
down,
is what
this
we
is what
have. I've done
we
same to
have.
the other side.
I've gone
Also,
ahead to
this is
also
it.
sew the other side too.
So I had to flip to the other
So I
side,
flipped
to
the
flip the handle to the other side, and then
direction,
I
and
sew
I
it
need to sew it
from the
down
top,
to passing
passing through the rope.
So after sewing
So
this
this
what
is
we
what we
have.
have after sewing. So the next thing to do
So the next thing
is
to
to
do
sew the
is to
sides, as
sew
you can
down
see.
and sew the other side too. So
After
this
sewing the
after
side,
sewing,
this is what we have.
my bag is almost ready.
So
So
I went
you
ahead
just need
to
to
open the bottom
hold
like
the bottom like
this,
this. Just follow what you see
and
on the
sew.
video and sew.
I did same to the other
Hold
side.
like this and sew.
And this is what we have.
Yeah, this is what
Our
we
bag
have.
is ready.
This is our bag.
Please, if you've watched to
Beautifully,
this point,
beautifully, beautiful. So if you watched to
this is
this
what
point,
should be
means
stopping
you
you
like this
from giving
video.
us
Please do not
a thumbs
forget
up,
to give us a thumbs up.
from giving us a
Do not
like.
forget to like
What should,
this video
it's
and share
not
to yourself.
difficult to do.
Share
Just
to anybody you
tap
think
that
will need
button
this
there.
video.
Tap the like button.
If you are
If
yet
you're
to
yet to
subscribe to
subscribe,
our
what is
channel,
stopping
please
you
what
from
are you
doing that?
waiting for?
It's,
What are
it's,
you waiting for?
it's
Please do
not
so.
difficult to do. Just
Hmm? Do
tap that
so.
subscribe button
Subscribe
and
to our
turn on
YouTube
the
channel.
notification bell so that you can get, or you can
Yeah.
be updated when we
So I'm trying to
upload
fold the
more
bag.
videos.
Fold it, fold
Please
it.
just do that. It's not difficult. It encourages us to do more videos for you. So I'm trying to fold the
So
bag.
just smash shopping bag is
And
very
this, the bag is
I think
beautiful.
it's
You can
any
go
color
to
of
any
any fabric,
shopping. Your Christmas
with
shopping
any
is
material
ready.
you feel like tailoring it
Merry Christmas,
to,
Merry Christmas, Merry
using it with. Thanks
Christmas.
for
Thank you
watching
so
and
much for
bye.
watching. Bye.